Hey folks, it's Rick Stollmeyer here, CEO and Chairman of Inspired Flight. And today's an exciting day here in our hometown of San Luis Obispo. ACI Jet, a private FBO that operates all over the United States and the world, is having their grand opening here in our hometown. Kind of emphasizes how aerospace and aviation is important here in San Luis Obispo. It's also, of course, where we founded Inspired Flight. You got here right behind me, our new IF 1200A, our flagship product. We're going to be a commercial UAV in a couple of weeks, showing this off, as well as our IF 750 and 1200s. And, you know, I think it's fitting that we're sitting here at a center of manned aviation, talking about the hot topic that's on everybody's mind right now in unmanned aviation, and that is, of course, remote ID. I know there's been a lot of teeth gnashing and discussion about it, but at the end of the day, remote ID, we feel, is an important milestone in the future of unmanned aerial systems. Of course, we know the FAA's intention, that is that the aircraft and the pilot are now transmitting their locations and they're identifying information out to anybody who has an app that gets to know what is that aircraft and who they are. Of course, this mirrors what already exists today in the manned aviation world. I think we all have concerns with how the FAA rolled it out. The means of compliance only being published just days ago, and we're all supposed to meet the compliance by September 16th. Very challenging for us in the manufacturing of drone business. But we just wanted you to know that the people at Inspired Flight, the engineers, the product people, the sales and customer success team, the leadership of the company, the board of directors, all of us are fully committed to producing aircraft in compliance with remote ID. And we've got more information here for you to look at, information on our website, but I want you to hear from me first. We believe in this law. You know, it is causing some consternation among some folks, particularly hobbyists and drone enthusiasts, but we also know that overall in the long term, this is going to be great for our industry, it's going to be great for the United States of America, and it's really going to be great for the world. Thank you.